This is a classic produced by TonyToneBeatz. This is a classic produced by TonyToneBeatz.
Oh, I look all patriotic and stuff. Hey, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and as you can tell by this title, this is going to be a over a month review on this hair from Premier Lace Wigs. So I got this wig from Premier Lace Wigs a little bit over, not a little bit, it's probably been like a month and a half. This wig is a Sierra Honey Blonde bob. It's a medium bob, and this hair is Chinese version hair. This is a 360 lace wig. It's 140 density, 12 inches. And I've already done like my unboxing and everything on that, so I will link that above and below in the description if you missed that video. And if you want to watch that video before you come over here to this one, you can definitely do so. I'm just gonna do a real quick video. This don't need to be long. This hair is bomb. I like the wig construction of this wig. So I got my wig in a small cap, and it has 4 combs, one at the top, 2 on the sides, 1 at the back. I don't use these combs, but I do use the comb at the back, and it does have adjustable straps. This hair does not shed. Oh well, it would shed the one time that this hair does not shed. It shed that one time, whatever. This is some good hair. This hair wears really well straight, curled, or natural state. But if you do wear this hair in its natural state, I would use a foaming mousse or a styling mousse, just so it can hold the little crinkle, because it's kind of like a small crinkle. I'll try to insert some pictures of me wearing my hair in all styles. Of course, this is curled. I did use a curling wand at the front, and I just used a curling iron at the back. Once you curl this hair, these curls stay. If you're not sweating or swimming or anything, these curls will stay 3 to 4 days really good. You may have to add maybe 1 or 2 like fresh curls in there, but this hair holds a curl real bomb. Like so corny. Anyway, I wore this hair on my trip to the Bahamas. If you haven't been keeping up with my vlogs, I will link them above and below so you can click on them and see how this hair, whoa, okay. But this hair, I wore this hair in the ocean. The hair is still the same soft. All I do to revamp and keep my hair soft is add conditioner. So this is a go for show. Premier Lace Wigs has great customer service. If you hit them up inquiring about a wig, they hit you right back. And what made it really good for me is their cashback program is like that. If you do the requirements, which is post a video, post a picture, tag them, review on their page, they will send you that cash back so quick. I remember whenever I posted my pictures and videos and everything on their website, I emailed them, let them know, and they immediately sent me a PayPal with my $20. So y'all are the bomb. If you like this hair, I will link the wig down below. I forgot to mention that I did dye this hair myself. It was blonde already, but just make sure you watch that video that I tagged. Whenever I first got it, you'll see it's the color that it came in. As soon as I got it, it was like a brighter blonde. I wanted it more of an ash blonde, so I dyed it medium and dark blonde. If I step back just a little bit, you see that kind of goes like in asymmetrical kind of cut, just a little bit. The back, I ain't gonna point me showing you the back because it's curled. But even whenever I wear it like in a part, you can see that this side, or whatever side is longer, that's opposite of the part. So yes, I just want to get out here real quick and let you know that this hair is the bomb, and that if you're looking for a nice light wig for the summertime, this is a go. It's not too much hair, it's not too little hair, and it does not shed. It did it again. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment on this video, and hit the notification bell that you're always notified when I upload a video so you don't miss the next one. Till the next video, guys. I'll talk to you later. Toodles.